What's going on, guys? Mike Garcia, your ORL Realtor with Urban City Realty.
And I'm Ida Dortons, also with Urban City Realty.
And I'm Alan with Home First Lending.
Today we're going to be interviewing Alan with Home First Lending on some questions for first-time home buyers. So Alan, tell me about yourself and the company that you work for.
Well, my name is Alan. I'm a bilingual loan officer here in Central Florida. I've been in the banking industry for the past 7 years, but been part of Home First Lending for the last 2 years. We're a local broker here in Avalon Park. We specialize in all residential lending, and our big focus now, and it has been for the last couple of years, has been the first-time home buyer.
Perfect. And it's always a pleasure having you, and thank you for sitting with us.
Thank you. We appreciate that. I know you're busy. So what is like the definition of first-time home buyer?
So first-time home buyer is someone that's looking to buy a home for the first time, but if you can qualify for the same first-time home buyer benefits if you're a borrower that's looking to buy their primary residence. So nowadays, you can qualify for all the same benefits of a first-time home buyer if either A, you're buying your house for the very first time, or B, you're buying a house and it's going to be your primary residence.
Oh, good.
Perfect. And what is the qualifying credit score for first-time home buyers?
So the minimum qualifying score would be a 580. With a 580 credit score, you do qualify for FHA loan, USDA loan, VA loan. But at a 580 credit score, it might be tough to qualify for a lot of the other incentives that there is for first-time home buyers. But we can definitely start you off with a home loan if you're right at the border of 580.
Okay.
Good. And how much money do I need if I want to get a loan? I'm a first-time home buyer, and what are the costs associated with a mortgage?
For first-time home buyers, you would usually need anywhere from 0 to 3.5%. What would determine how much you need for your home loan would be the area that you're looking to buy in, your credit score, and your debt-to-income ratio. Other costs that are associated with the loan besides the down payment would be your initial inspection, where that's going to run anywhere from $300 to $400. Your appraisal, which that's going to run anywhere from $500 to $600, and your closing costs, where closing costs tend to be around 3% of the total price of the home, and your closing costs are made up of insurances, taxes, and title fees.
Good. So like a good rule of thumb, if you're getting into the first-time home buying, at least have a reserve of what, $3,000 to $4,000. What would you say would be good?
We always say at least have 2 to 3 months reserves.
Okay.
Because once you actually start the loan, get to underwriting, there are times where a condition can be you need to have 2 to 3 months reserves, but that's going to be determined in the beginning, depending on your score, depending on your loan amount. So there's going to be a couple factors on whether you're going to need reserves or not.
Perfect.
What are what benefits are out there for a first-time home buyer?
Well, there's a lot of benefits out there today for a first-time home buyer. The big thing, of course, is the down payment assistance, which we do down payment assistance in Orange County, Seminole County, and Osceola County. But there are other programs. We have a great first-time home buyer program where it's a 1% down conventional. You qualify for the traditional conventional loan, but you would only need 1% down instead of the traditional 5%. Depending on where your credit score stands, we would actually be able to help you with your closing costs here at Home First Lending. We can help anywhere from 1% to full 3% towards your closing, depending on where your credit score stands.
Okay.
Good.
Great. And let's say I'm new, and what would you say would be the best place for me to get started? Getting financing.
Well, definitely the first thing would be is to call me and take an application. Putting an application together would let me go through your financial situation, see exactly where you're standing, see how we would be able to qualify you for, what we would be able to qualify you for, and what incentives you qualify for. Of course, you can reach me on my personal number, which is 772-713-5236, or you can email me at alan@myhomefirst.com. Or you can even make an in-house appointment. Our office is located in 1300 Founder Square Drive, Orlando, Florida 32828. Or if you're a busy person and you don't want to talk to me at all and you just want to go online and do it, you can just visit me on homefirstlending.com /Alan. As soon as you do complete your online application, I get a notification to my email. I will contact you directly, so we can go through your online application, and I will let you know, hey, this is what you qualify for, and when it's consensus you qualify for as well.
Perfect.
Awesome. And how long does that take? Like if I wanted to apply online to get feedback from you?
The online application usually takes about 10-15 minutes. If I get it anytime before 7-8 o'clock at night, I would be able to contact you the same day. Anytime after that, I would contact you the next business day. And you know, the consultation usually takes about 15-20 minutes to let you know, hey, this is what you qualify for, your interest rate, how much money you would need for your purchase. So by having that application, it pretty much lets me know what I'm able to do for you.
Perfect.
Okay, perfect. So I should go to you before I start looking for homes?
Definitely, because you don't want to go out and start looking for homes that sometimes might just be out of your price range, or vice versa. You're looking at homes that you think you're looking at stuff that's way under budget, and you can qualify for even more. So you don't want to either hurt yourself by going out and looking at homes you definitely can't afford, or looking at homes that you can afford but you're holding yourself back because you don't know where you're staying.
Correct.
Good,
Correct.
good.
And a good realtor won't take you house shopping until you get pre-approved. That's why you stop here first, Urban City Realty,
Yeah.
Realtors, and we'll take care of you. Well, thank you for watching. I'm Michael, your ORL Realtor with Urban City Realty.
And I'm Ida Dortons with Urban City Realty as well.
And I'm Alan with Home First Lending.
Thank you.